Hey, бәріңе сәлем достар, сендермен бүгін мен бейбарыс достар. Бүгін біз Battlegrounds ойынын ойнайтын боламыз, яғни телефонмен. Достар, бұл видео бірақ дауыссыз, бұл бірінші видео болған соң дауыссыз түсіріп көрейін дедім. Енді өздеріңіз көріп бағаларын бересіздер. Кеттік ендеше.
Sad story, my funny boring. Lost his mum to a drug named heroin. Father's gone, so grandma's left with everything. 2 grandkids and a daughter's laughing. I never really knew him when he was growing up, but I assumed that it was a little fuck. Parents for him to look up to. The brother whom I knew was a dodgy fuck. Shit, I used to think he was a dick, trying too hard to fit, and never grew out of it. Now he don't talk too much, he's probably giving up. I think he's had enough, cause he ran out of luck. Now he don't talk too much, he's probably giving up. I think he's had enough, cause he ran out of luck. Hometown, that's what probably did it. Never saw the other world, so he didn't wanna go and get it. Occupied by fitting in where minds are small. Where small things make the small kings versatile. Will he ever change? Well, apparently he applied for college and was waiting for his grades. Word that help his case, well, I couldn't never say. Now he don't talk too much, he's probably giving up. I think he's had enough, cause he ran out of luck. Now he don't talk too much, he's probably giving up. I think he's had enough, cause he ran out of luck. Waiting the lights out and night out. Brothers in town, and a doubt, a few fights now. Kicked out, club, shit the sun's up. One look, solid took for his girl to cuss at another. Being dudes, they blow at the chest to impress these breasts that had just started this mess. They must protect the damsel in distress. So other girls man decides to clench his fist, and then he flew a miss. Brothers hit, as did his. Dropped him quick, then one kick to the head. Oh shit, got a man is dead. Now he's locked away, 21 years of age. How many lives was go to his father's graves until I see some fucking change? And I don't even know how we continue to I wanna let him know. Now he don't talk too much, he's probably giving up. I think he's had enough, cause he ran out of luck. Now he don't talk too much, he's probably giving up. I think he's had enough, cause he ran out of luck.
Wish that I could belong. I've been searching for so long. This place I'm in makes me feel numb. I just want to find someone. Feeling lost and out of place. Empty eyes look upon my face. Nowhere to go, nowhere to run. I just want to find someone. I just want to find someone. Wish that I could belong.
Достар, міне көргендеріңіздей мен топ беріп алдым. Достар, видеоны лайк басыңыздар, комментарий жазыңыздар және менің арнама тіркеліп отырыңыздар. Келесі екінші бөлімді күтіңіздер. Ұнаса лайктарыңызды басып отырыңыздар. Аман сау болыңыздар достар.